In this tutorial, we'll show you step by step how to create ad placements and add ad blocks to your phpFox site. Let's get started. First, let's start with the ads placement. Log into your site as an admin. From the side navigation menu, head over to Installed under the App section. You can search for Advertise app in the searching bar here. Once you're there, hit Advertise. You need to create an ad placement first. Ad placements are where you decide ads will show up. Think of it like reserving a spot on your site. By setting this up first, you get to control where ads will appear, who sees them, and how they're charged. Then choose the Add New Placement button. Now, it's time to give your new ad placement all the details. First, give it a name. Keep it catchy and easy to understand, something that reflects where the ad will appear on your site. For example, top banner ad or sidebar ad. Give your ad placement a clear description. This will give you and the advertiser easily identify its location on your website. It's time to decide what type of ad placement you want to create. You can choose between PPC or CPM. With PPC, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. With CPM, you pay for every 1,000 times people see your ad. Pick the one that suits your needs best. We choose the PPC as an example. Now we're setting up the pricing. By default, phpFox supports 3 currencies, and we'll set up each one as an example. In this case, we're going with a rate of 1 for every click on the ad. You can also making sure that only certain types of users can use this ad placement. You can choose which roles can place ads here, or you can leave it empty to let everyone place ads. After filling in the necessary information, click Create. And that's it. You've just successfully created a new ad placement. Let's move on to the next step. We're going to create ad assets for the placement we just set up in step 1. Head back to the Advertise tab in your admin CP. But this time click on Manage Ads. And then select Add New Ad. Here, you'll need to fill in the details of your ad. We support 2 ad types, HTML and image. HTML is essentially a plain text format, while the image type allows you to upload a visual ad. Next, select the placement for your ad. We choose the placement we just created in step 1. Now upload your ad image, make sure it's engaging and relevant to your target audience. You can change the image at any time by uploading a new one here. Next, add the destination URL, which is the web address where users will be taken when they click on the ad. This should be the landing page that aligns with your campaign's goal. The image tooltip is a short piece of text that appears when a user hovers over the ad image. It provides additional context or information, like a brief description of the ad. Moving to the details part. Give your ad a clear and catchy name that reflects its content. You can also customize your ad by defining the age, gender, and language of your target audience. This helps ensure that your ad reaches the right people. You can even select specific languages to make sure your ad appears to users who speak the language you're targeting. It's a great way to make sure your ad is relevant to the people who see it. Now choose when you want your ad to start and end. Once all the details are filled out, go ahead and click the Create button to create your ad. It's as simple as that. Great job! You just created your new ad, which is now visible at the top of the line here. Moving to the last section of this video, now we're going to see how the ad is displayed on the front-end side. From the front end of your phpFox site, let's open Live Editor mode. Choose Edit Page Content, as we are supposed to add an advertise block to the home feed page only. If you would like to add a block to all pages, you can use Edit Site Content. Click on the plus icon in the sidebar section to add a block to this area, as we want the ads to display in the top right. Then search Advertise Blocks and click the Add Block button. Now you can go ahead and configure the ad form. Note that in the Placements field, choose the placement option we just created above. Then, click Add to add this block. See that block right there? That's the one we just added. You can move it around by simply dragging it. You can preview it to take a look at it before publishing the layout. And there you have it. You've just created an ad placement which is now visible at the top of the page here. When you're happy with how it looks, hit Publish Layout to rebuild the front-end web. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up the new ads placement on the home feed. You can follow the same steps to add ads placements for other pages of your phpFox site. If you found this helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.